Today we are gonna fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solution. The reason for this problem is that we are using Roblox's old version. We will resolve the problem by refreshing Roblox. Refreshing Roblox will not harm our account in any way. To do this, first we open our browser. Then click on the three dots in the upper right corner and open Settings. On the left, click on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down and click on Third-party cookies. Then click on See all site data and permissions. In the search bar, we type Roblox. We click on the trash icon and then click on Delete. For the second step, we press Windows and R keys at the same time to open Run. In the search bar, we type %local app data % and click OK. In the opened window, we find the temp folder. We open the temp folder and delete the Roblox folder inside it. Then we go back and also delete the Roblox folder here. After that, we open our browser again and log into our Roblox account. After doing this, we click on any game and then click play. After this, we will need to download Roblox again. We click on download and install Roblox and proceed with the installation. While downloading Roblox, we can choose to save it to desktop. After downloading, we click on the installed Roblox and then click on run. We have installed Roblox. Before opening the game, we right click on Roblox player and then click on properties. Then we click on compatibility. After doing this, we tick disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Then we click apply and then OK. Now we open our browser and start any game. As you can see, Roblox opened without any issues. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.